Hello friends, today we'll see how to change the transmission oil of Toyota Fortuner. So first of all we'll open the bonnet and slowly open the bonnet up. So this is the point where the transmission oil dipstick is there. You can check it or you can add it also from this source. So first of all just clean the dipstick. This is the dipstick marks. This is the hot, this is the cold minimum and this is the hot maximum. Cool minimum, cold maximum, hot minimum, hot maximum. So again you dip the stick into the chamber and see the oil level. See the oil level is near to cold minimum or little above the cold minimum. It's hot near to hot maximum. So it should be take care when you are going to check the transmission oil, the vehicle should be on, the engine should be on. Only the transmission oil you can check by starting the engine. So by running the engine, it should be at hot maximum or between hot maximum or cold maximum. Again, you can check the oil. So again you see the oil is near to cool maximum, cold minimum. This means the oil is less. It should be near to hot minimum or hot maximum as per the temperature. As per the temperature raise. Now once again you cross check the oil. See it is near to cold minimum. Because the transmission oil is very important, so it should be in proper mark only, proper level only. Otherwise the transmission will spoil. It's a very costly game. So you should be take care about the transmission oil. So this is we are going to add today transmission fluid. This is the made by ZF company. It's a synthetic oil. It's made in Germany. So otherwise you can add T4 type made by Toyota also. This is the funnel, homemade funnel used to transfer the oil. So you just keep this funnel on the point of transmission oil check point. So slowly you see it is slowly you add this into the point. Should be carefully, otherwise the oil will leak or the cost of oil is very much high. It is approximately 1600 Indian price. So per liter. So kindly fix it properly and add slowly transmission oil. So should again you check, and again if the level is less you add little more. Again you check, and then again if the level is less you add little more. So repeatedly you have to check the level. It should be in proper range only. It should not be more, it should not be less. Otherwise if the oil is less, the transmission will slip. So add little more. or the gear will also slip if the transmission is less. Or if the oil is more, fluid is more, the fog, you can say defog will be there. The volume will be more by on heating. So should be in proper range only. Should not add more and should not less. So remove the funnel now and again try to check the level. Now keep the dipstick into the point and wait for a few minutes. Then again take it out and check the level. So now level is near about hot minimum on at the starting of the engine. The engine should be start when you are going to check the transmission oil. In some Honda made vehicles, they are recommending to in the cold engine, but others you have to check the transmission oil by